Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be my spring 2020 morning routine. This involves motherhood, cleaning motivation, cooking, all of that kinds of stuff. So first thing in the morning, Evelyn wakes up around 7. I will turn on the TV for about 15 minutes so I can get myself up and then get out of bed with her. We come out into the kitchen. She says hi to the dog, which is like her favorite thing to do. And that's when we start our morning. So after we come out and say hi to the dog, the next thing is I start to get Evelyn's breakfast ready. This morning she was having some cereal and bananas. I always try to give her some kind of fruit with her breakfast in the morning time, although today she only ate like 2 little pieces of the banana because she was so into her cereal. But that is what she is eating this morning. I will put her in her high chair. She will start eating breakfast and then I will continue on with my morning.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come.
Evelyn just started eating cereal about like maybe 2 weeks ago. I introduced it to her and she absolutely loves it. Evelyn is my daughter and she is now 18 months old, so that is our little girl and she is the sassiest but funniest little thing ever. She cracks me up all day long and I absolutely love being a mom to her. After I go ahead and get her breakfast, I will start making my tea. Every single morning I drink a chai tea latte. I don't really eat like a breakfast. I kind of just drink my breakfast. So that's what I will do now while she starts to eat a little bit. And then as she's eating and my tea is cooling down and everything, I will start doing the little bit of work that my kitchen needs. I tend to try and have my house clean at nighttime. That doesn't always work out for me. Sometimes when Evelyn goes to bed, I literally just want to crawl in bed and go to sleep myself, or I want to take a bath or do something like that. So not every single morning when I wake up, my house is nicely and freshly clean. Like this day, I didn't clean, the night before I didn't clean up the living room, so her toys were everywhere when we woke up, which was no big deal because as soon as she's done eating breakfast, after we're done doing some other stuff, she goes in there and starts playing. So the next thing I'm doing is getting her cup of water. My tea is over there brewing, and then after that, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and unload the dishwasher.
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me.
So at nighttime, I always try and run the dishwasher. Throughout the day, I will put the dishes in there from breakfast, lunch, and then dinner, and then I will run it at nighttime. That's just something I've been doing for a while now, and it works out really well for me. I like waking up and having a productive start to my day. If I know I have things to do like laundry and a little bit of cleaning and dishes and stuff like that, it gets my day going. If not, I will go straight to the couch after breakfast, and then like my entire day is just like slow moving, not very fast paced. But I like getting up and having a productive morning because if I don't, like I said, we're just lazy and I don't get anything done. So starting off my day with having things to do really works out well for me. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Carlie. I'm a mama, like I said, to that 1.5 baby girl, Evelyn. I do cleaning, organizing, lifestyle, motherhood content here on this channel. So if you guys enjoy videos like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And if you are new, comment down below, say hi so I can get to know you a little bit better. Now that I'm almost done doing the dishes, I'm going to go ahead and sit down with Evelyn and have our little breakfast together. This is probably one of my favorite parts of the day, just sitting down with her one-on-one and having a little chit-chat session. I try to teach her new things when we're sitting down, but it's absolutely my favorite part of the day. So next you can see my dog asking to go outside. So I will go ahead and let him out. He sleeps inside. He is our male German Shepherd, and then our girl German Shepherd does not like to sleep inside at nighttime. She likes to be in the cooler weather, so she sleeps out in the garage or the basement, her choice. Next, I'm showing you this daily activities list that I like to do with Evelyn every single day, which has read, color, play outside, sing songs, build, do counting and letters, and then potty training, because we are going to start doing that with her now that we are stuck inside and really don't have an excuse not to start. So that is the list of things I like to try and do every single day. It's really easy for me to throw on a show and she would sit there and watch it. So I'm trying not to do as much screen time throughout the day and just trying to really work on learning with her. So that's what we try to do every single day. Next, again, we're just sitting here having our little chit chat session, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean up. We're gonna wash hands, brush our teeth, and then go to get dressed for the day. Come on, let's go to your room.
Back when I met you, we were like
This way.
fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got
Come on.
burned. Look at us now, we scream, we
Let's
fight,
go.
no one knows the reason.
Go to your room.
We're both getting out of line.
Good job.
Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish.
So now it's time to pick out Evelyn's outfit for the day, and we live in Pennsylvania, so it is still pretty chilly here, so anything long-sleeved will work for her. So I decided to pick out this little long-sleeve shirt with some leggings, and then we're gonna go ahead and get her dressed, change her diaper. I'm not gonna show that just for like privacy reasons, but we're gonna go ahead and get her dressed and then go back into the kitchen and do some coloring. Evelyn, come here. Show off your outfit. Come here. Come here. Evie, come here. Come look. Come see. You look so cute. Your little bun. So the next thing I'm going to do is just clean up from breakfast and anything from the night before. I usually diffuse some kind of blend in the morning, but last night I actually did a blend throughout the night, so my house was smelling nice and fresh and clean for when we woke up, which was really, really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean up from breakfast, clean up Evelyn's high chair, and then like I said, she's going to go ahead and start to color.
Right now we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Oh, I'll get over you.
This is something that we have been doing almost every single morning, which is just doing some coloring, and then I will sit there and go through the crayons with her and try to learn some colors. She's still, like I said, she's only 18 months old, so I'm just trying to kind of get like the basics down with her, like colors and counting and letters and animal sounds and things like that. So that's what we are doing right now, and then once she gets settled and we go through the colors and I'm done drinking my tea, I'm going to go ahead and do some laundry.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it.
I'm not sure if anybody else is like this, but if I do not start laundry in the morning, I just will not do it throughout the day, and I will not do it at nighttime. I have to start it in the morning so it keeps me going throughout the day, and I can get like 2 or 3 loads a day done if we have that many clothes, which we normally do because my husband goes through like 3 a day, Evelyn goes through 2, and then I have probably 2 with pajamas and then normal clothes. But next, it's time for me to go ahead and get ready for the day. Evelyn is now in bed watching a show, and then this is like the only way I can get ready, so I'll put on like Mickey Mouse or something for her to watch. But I'm not going to go through everything that I'm using because I do have a get ready with me on my channel. I will link it up here if you want to go ahead and watch that, and I like tell all the products and things like that. So for right now, I'm just going to throw on a little bit of makeup and then get dressed. I've been wearing comfy clothes because we have been stuck inside for the past almost 2 weeks now. So just a little bit of makeup and some clothes. If I don't do this, I will feel like a bum, which, do not get me wrong, some days I do not get dressed at all. I just stay in my PJs all day. I don't do my hair, I don't do my makeup. And then some mornings this routine does not look like this at all. It honestly just depends on the day. I try to do this routine at least 5 times a week. If not, you know, we all get thrown off and things like that. So, but I don't want to come off seeming like this routine is perfect and I do this every single day, because I do not. Honestly, every single morning looks different. If the world was perfect, this routine would happen every single morning. But like I said, that's just not what happens.
We figured out what it's all about. Takes a second and then we're back it up again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want to stop it. Go ahead, tell them it's my fault for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave you.
So now that I'm done my hair and makeup, it is time for me to get dressed. I just have on a black tee and some leggings, and then my slippers that I wear almost every single day throughout the house because they are so comfy. And then the last thing I do in my morning routine, which I do this every single morning, is clean our room, make our bed. I don't show it in here, but I normally vacuum and do all that kind of stuff. But just in the morning, I like to make our bed for sure. Just that gets our day going, and I love having a clean room. At least one room in my house needs to be clean so I can go there throughout the day if I need to and just like sit and chill and relax for a second, because toddlers are absolutely crazy. But next we're just gonna go ahead and make my bed, and then that is it for this morning routine.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I
So that is going to be it for this video. I think this morning ended around 8:30, so I got all of that done within like an hour and a half almost. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.